You guys loved this reel on Instagram, so I thought I would simplify it to a one light setup with no tricky equipment so you guys can photograph this at home. Let's discuss my camera settings. I'm at 1/200th of a shutter speed, f10 and ISO 100. And my lens choice is the 50mm Sigma lens. For my light, as you can see, I am pointing it towards the ceiling with the reflector dish that came with my Godox 8600 Pro. If you don't have this light and you have another speed light or continuous light, you can use a 7-inch reflector, which will do the same. Now this sky background, I love. It's from Propsyland, not sponsored. Check them out if you want backdrops. They're a great resource. Also props. I have attached it to some boards, but you can use blue tack or tape to mount it to the wall. Then just place your mirror on the floor. Now to get the whole sky image reflecting back into your mirror, this will depend on the angle you place your camera. As you can see, from this point of view, you cannot see the sky. As soon as I bring my camera away from the mirror at this particular angle, you can now see the whole sky. And now you're ready to take the shot. Now, to edit my photos, I like to run them through Photoshop using my new Photoshop Filter Action JM Make It Pop. The whole point is to make your photos pop. So to everyone that's downloaded it thus far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It allows me to make more free content like this. I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.